One of the projects of the Little Traverse Bay Stormwater Management Initiative was the restoration of a road stream crossing on Click Road at Petoskey. At Click Road, the Bear River flowed over 100 feet along the roadbed before it passed through 3 large deteriorating culverts. Their poor alignment forced the river under the road at an awkward 90-degree turn. The embankment was eroding, and the culverts were inadequately placed. In 2012, the culverts were replaced with a clear-span timber bridge. The bridge components were delivered to the site, and the Emmet County Road Commission assembled and installed the bridge during the midsummer. Now the stream flows under the roadway unimpeded with a more natural channel alignment. The new bridge restored both the natural stream bed and the river's hydraulics. In addition, the side slopes were stabilized and vegetated to prevent erosion.